Disclaimer: I am not responsible if you lose your ability to speak English after watching this video. Forgive me. Ha ha ha.
So hey, welcome back everyone. This is your boy Pranav in Sniper Show, and this will be the second episode of our brand new playlist that is RIP English. And I'm giving you I already gave you a disclaimer at the beginning of the video, so you have been warned. And if I am not responsible if you lose your ability to speak English after seeing all the pics that I'm about to show you, and if you laugh, hey, leave a like. Let's get started. Okay, we have our first image here. Okay, only one woman slash, it's written in a pencil, so men entry ATM. Do not entry any other customer. Complete the truncation. Old customer in ATM room. ये बंदा ऊपर जाएगा पक्का. Next one. For Hindi films, main hero, right? It's hero. Main hero, side hero, main side heroine. What is a main side heroine? And collector role Netha, Spectre and Villain, male and female, artist requirement age 18 to 55 years. Shutting start. Shutting? What is shutting? Shooting. Oh boy. Okay. Shutting start 30th March to 2nd April. Roll, camera, action. Hey, good shutting. Okay, so if you guys are looking for a a villa or a home or anything, or 3 BHK or 4 BHK house, well, I got the poster for you, the advertisement for you. So let's take a look. For sale, 3 BHK, family, terrace. Family. So whoever wants a house along with the family, you can contact them. They have all the family members. Hey, who sells a family da? Anus English Academy. No problem. मैं हूं ना Anu Sharma. I think Anu Sharma's short form is Anus. Remember the hashtag last time, guys. Do not laugh. Okay, so next one. Look at this guy. Hi, gays. How's my body? My standing on Qutub Minar in Bombay.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now. This is cancer. This is so much cancer that I can feel the tumors growing on my back. And it's weighing down heavy on me, and it's not okay. Can you help a nigga out and just stop this? Please?
1 second. Did your dad make Qutub Minar in Bombay? Where is Qutub Minar in Bombay? Okay, let's continue. Yo, I know I look like Salman. Thanks. Yeah, you can see Salman Bhai standing there and in the picture we can see Eiffel Tower, and this guy is saying Qutub Minar, and Qutub Minar according to him is in Bombay. And look at this, RIP English, RIP Photoshop, RIP everything, RIP mankind. Next we have a restaurant menu for you guys. So this episode won't go away without a restaurant menu. Restaurant menus are everywhere. So let's see this. Veg noodles, it's proper. Chili beep. What's a beep? It's this maybe, okay. Garlic beep. Ginger beep. Chili chicken. Pepper chicken. Ginger chicken. Garlic chicken. Do not laugh. Next one. Okay, so suppose you guys want to go to a leave, or you guys are not feeling well, and you write a letter to your class teacher or the principal of your school. So you guys will write all the stuff that I am feeling bad, I won't be coming from this date to this date, and we have a guy who doesn't know English write a letter. So let's have a look. To the principal, modern skull, Patna. Dear sir, subject, live application for I coming. Okay, this is a big paragraph, so let's read fast and let's see if we cannot laugh. I will not come as my eyes have come. If I come with my coming eyes, then your eyes will come and you will not come. But still, if you come with your coming eyes, all school eyes will come and all will not come. So I will not come and all will come. I will come back when my coming eyes will go, and all will come without their eyes coming. So you guys go to a wedding, okay, and you see all the decorations, and suppose you did not pay the decorations guy on time, and he messes with your decorations, and want to know what happens with that. You can see this. Raj begs Deepika. Yes. You guys, let's wait for the marriage, okay? Let's just write Raj weds Deepika. Don't just jump to beds, dude. What the hell is beds? Okay. Okay, so next we have a guy who's graduating. Okay. Today I am graduation. I invitation you all, my friends, to eat our house. Hey, come eat our house, da, come da. Because I know someday I will eat your house. I will die 5 chickens, 3 girls and 2 boys to eat you all. So he is going to kill 5 chickens, 3 girls and 2 boys.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
To eat you all. Oh man. And I will ask my father to cook my mother. Hey, if you did not get the chicken and mutton, take my mother, take him and cook. Sorry, take her and cook. Boy, I'm not saying anything, everything is here. Okay, so next you guys go to a testing center where you need a health checkup or something, and you guys go for a health, maybe let's say a blood checkup or a urine checkup. Nothing to laugh there. So you can go to this place, home health, pathological diagnostic, blood stool. What's a stool? Okay, urine, semen, pregnancy, etc. are tasted here. Hey, Kamda, let's go for blood testing. You know, maybe I think how they test the blood here is maybe they'll take a cup of your blood and they'll drink it, they'll taste your blood and they'll say,
Hey, madam, yours blood is O positive or AB negative.
next. Dragon Mom Corner. Veg moms, chicken moms. So if anybody wants to eat moms, you can go here to this guy. He has veg moms and chicken moms. Oh, not chicken moms. तो आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. बाय. Man. I think I successfully managed not to laugh, but I think you guys must laugh. You guys should have laughed, and it was so funny. I already gave you guys a disclaimer that I'm not responsible if your English goes bad. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like and do subscribe for more content. And please do leave a comment on what should be my next video. And yeah, see you later. See you. Bye bye. Take care.